G'day YouTube. Tonight we've got a bit of a special treat. We have an Opus BTC 3100 V2 sent to me for the purpose of reviews from Banggood.com. Alright, let's open it up. Should we get some instructions? All sweet, all in English. We get a adapter. Okay. Is that Chinese pins? I'm not sure. I have a treble adapter here anyhow, but 12 volt 3 amp. Positive center. 4.5 or 5 mil, maybe 5 mil. Good little bit of cord on there. Tied up nice and tidy in the box. Got to be at least a metre worth of cord there. Nothing under there. Alright, here's the unit. Some details about it on the back. Power inlet port, little fan. 4-bay charger, discharger. Just power it up and go through the process of using it for the first time. Okay. The camera in a good spot. Alright. So I just happen to have some 18650s here. I reckon we're going to stick a battery in first, so positive end up. It says it's full. Discharge. At 1 amp. I think that must be the rate it's discharging at the moment. Okay, so we can change slots. Right, let's throw some more cells in. So they're all nice full cells. We choose a slot. Let's go this far one. We go mode, discharge. Okay, what actually starts it? Sadly, I'm not that familiar with these. Alrighty, so I've got it worked out. The instructions are really good. Basically now I can cycle through the display and it'll tell me the voltage of each of the cells at the same time. It's a bit better. You can see them all the numbers there. A little display button cycles you through. So that one's done 15, 15, 15. That one's up to 42 because that was the first one I started. Time it took to discharge and the rate it's discharging at and their voltages. So it's quite happily discharging there. Refresh mode. Rechargeable battery. Yeah, alright. So there's heaps of There's a charge mode, there's a discharge mode, there's a refresh mode, and there's a test mode and a quick test mode. So they're all very handy for anyone that's doing some 18650 processing. I believe the little cooling fan's going. There is a bit of heat on the unit because it is dissipating about 4 amps at the moment. We can check, I'll show you. About 4 amps. So you want to make sure you got this in a reasonably cool spot, because it will be working hard discharging at that rate. If it's not so time critical, you're probably better off discharging at 500 milliamps, like if you're going to set them and go to work or something like that, because then it gives them plenty of time to discharge. So I will make a detailed video in the overview of operation on this, because no doubt some people will have some questions. There'll also be a link to buy one of these from banggood.com. If you buy anything from the affiliate link that I leave, it will help the channel and give me a small kickback for your purchase, even though it doesn't cost you any more to do so. So this is the Opus C3100 BT/C3100, and it's version 2.2. Quite cool. I did originally have a Nokosur, and that ended up dying. But this seems to be much better quality. All the guys on DIY Powerwalls and Second Life Storage are using this model, so this seems to be the business. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. I know it's a bit of a shorter video on the unboxing, but I will make an operations video and run you through the complete operation of how this little beast works. For now, we'll let it do a discharge cycle and see what kind of ratings we get. I've got about 3,000 18650s to put through this beast that are unprocessed, and once they're all processed, they'll probably go up for sale. So if you're in Tasmania or even mainland Australia and you're keen on getting some 18650s, shoot me an email, because there's only certain ones that I actually want, but I'm going to process all of them anyway. And this little beast should help me out. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. More videos on this side, the subscribe buttons on that side, links to this and anything else that I feature will always be in the top of the video description, and links to Patreon. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch you on the next video. There'll be some more updates soon.